All right, in the previous video, we have looked into how to create a standalone web application using the details view. But in this one, you can see that it provides only the information of one item. So next one, we learned that we can enable the paging. So it gives us options of picking different items. But this is again just read only. So the next one, we learned that we can construct our structured query language, so that it will provide the edit, delete, and new option, as well. But then they are all standalone. They don't work with another control. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app so that the detailed information displayed will be based on which item, which product item being picked from the detailed view over here. So I'm going to show you how to create an application like this. Sometimes people call this type of application as a list detail web application, or master details application. It's really up to you. I might call it a list and detail. So let's get started. So now I'm going to create a new web form. So again, make sure you select the solution name over here, then go to project, go to project, and then I'm going to pick a new item, and then select the web application on the left, and select web form. Again, feel free to change the name if you want to. To save time, I will just use the default name and click add. And then over here, I'm going to type something like how to create and create a list this details web application. All right. And then I'm going to use the toolbox here. So I will use the Gridivew control. Set up a Gridivew control, and then I'm going to set up my data source. So again, SQL database. And then the connection string will be the same. And then again, this is the database, Halloween database I'm going to use. So there's no need to change anything. Click next, and then I'm going to use the products table as an example. But then let's see that what information we want to display on the Gridivew control. So it's only ID, name, and the category. For the select, I will show you how to enable it later. So let me pick the product ID, product name, and then the category ID. So let me double check it. Category, yeah, that's correct. All right, and then let me see, anything else? I guess not. I guess not. So there will be, yeah, I think they will be all. Yeah, so let me click next, do a quick test. So far so good, and then click finish. Click finish. But then in order to add the fourth column, the fourth column over here, the select column over here, on the Gridivew. So make sure that you click the smart task or menu over here, and then pick enable paging, and also enable selection as well. You can also enable the sorting if you want to. And then let me pick the auto format, maybe colorful this time. Click apply, click OK. And also the PowerPoint shows that the select column is at the last column of the Gridivew control. So let me go back here again, smart menu or task option, and select edit, edit columns. All right, and then you can see that on the left-hand side, it will be the order of our columns on our Gridivew control. So we want to move the select to the last column. Okay, so select this one first, and then click the down, down, down option over here. And then once we click OK, then you can see that, oh, I mean, the select column moved to the very end. Okay, and then we can do a quick test run. Okay, so let's try it. And the browser will display the products information, okay, for us first, okay? So this is the master or the list view, okay? So again, you can select an item, okay, but then no details information will be displayed. So let's see, okay, how do we set up, okay, a detail, okay, view control, okay, here. So when an item is selected, the detailed information of the item will be displayed. Okay, so let's enhance, okay, our application here. Okay, so right next to it, okay, I might add a little bit, okay, space bar over here, and then let me drag and drop an instance of the details view. Okay, okay, all right. Okay, so it goes to the uh, next, okay, okay, row. Okay, so it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so let's get start the configuration. Okay, so select the choose data source. If it's not there, no big deal. Click the right arrow sign over here. Okay, so you can see the option over here. Okay, so choose the data source. Okay, select that one. Okay, we have to create a new one. Okay, create a new data source. Okay, and then SQL database. Okay, click OK, and then connection string will be the same. Okay, so make sure you use the same database. Okay, click next. And then select the products table. Okay, products table. Okay, products table. Okay, and then select all the fields. Okay, select all the fields. Okay. However, which product to display. Okay, so you have to use the where option over here. Okay, so click the where option over here, and then the where criteria clause will allow us to set up that which item to pick. Actually, the source of the item to pick will come from, we will use the, we will use the product ID, and then the comparison operator will be the equal to, but where the source information will come from, it will come from the web control. And then you can see that we have two web controls over here. One is the Gridivew, one is the details view. So we will use the Gridivew control, Gridivew 1. If you want to pick the default value is fine. Otherwise, you can use blank. And then once you see that the where clause got constructed correctly, then you just click the add to add this where clause. All right, so you can see that the product ID, this is like a parameter. So the value will be filled in based on which item has been selected. So let me see. Well, I couldn't move to the right too much. So it will based on which item got picked over here. So let me click OK, and then click next. And then click finish. Click finish. All right. And then again, let me increase the width a little bit. So let me run the app first, and I will look it. I will make it align side by side next. Okay. There you go. Okay. So now let me select the first item. So you see that the detail view display the item been selected. And then I can select maybe the last item. The last item. In the products table, and then click select, then there you go. The detailed information related to that product is displayed, but then I might want to put this detail view right next to it. So I will use a quick fix, okay? So I will just create, give me some room, and then I'm going to create a table. Okay, so table, insert the table. I'm going to need, let me see, one row only, okay, but I need 2 columns, okay? So click OK, okay. And then I'm going to put my Gridivew into row 1, column 1, and my detail view. Okay, let me see. A little bit hard to see the, let me see, the second column. Okay, so let me switch to the source code view. Okay, so let me see. All right. Okay, so let me see. Okay, let me switch back again. Okay. Or is not in the table view, okay? So, okay, here is my table view, okay? So let me try it again. Select this one, drag into row 1, column 1, okay, of the table view, okay? And then, okay, there you go, okay, you can see that the column 2, okay, is here, okay? So let me move this one to the left, okay? All right, and then let me put my details view over there. As for the alignment, okay, don't worry about it. Okay, so okay, don't worry about it. Okay, right now, okay. Yeah. So let me run the app again. Select an item. Let me see. It is still okay, next to it. Okay. So let me see, what do I miss here? Form 3. Okay. Let me check the source code. Okay. So let me see. Table TD1 is here. TD, okay, it's not there. So let me try, okay, it one more time. Okay, so let me see. Let me see, yeah, the details view, okay. Switch back, okay, to here. Okay, and then drag it, drop it. No, okay, it's next to it, okay, each other. So let me try it again. But then the source code did not show that again, they are right next to each other. Let me use this method, okay? So I just drag the detail view into the TD view, okay? Yeah, and then let me see, okay? Yeah, let me try it again. Again, you might have to play with it a little bit to make sure that the format is what you want, okay? So let me select the product. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's fine. It's a little bit okay, out of the style. Okay, but then so far so good. Okay, so again, let me make some quick adjustment. Okay, yeah, and then also okay, I'll do a little bit quick format. Okay, here. Okay, and then click apply. Okay, and then let me run it again. Okay. All right, okay, so far so good. Okay, I think I will stop the video. Okay, now, okay, it's a little bit long already. Okay, the time is a little bit long already. Okay, so let me stop it now.